Yeah, good evening. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 27th of June 2018. It's currently 6:15 in the evening here in Da Nang. Like I said this morning, I was going to have a look at my NZ dollar pairs, any trades I've got open. Just because tomorrow, if you have a look here, you'll hear sirens. There's a big meeting here in Da Nang and police escorting everyone all day. 4 a.m. tomorrow morning my time, New Zealand official cash rate. So it's 1.75%, that's what it is at the moment, and that's a forecast. So if that number changes drastically, then there will be a big move. If that's 1.75, you'll probably find that it's already built into price. But this is what will move it, possibly the statement or the speeches after, if they're dovish or hawkish. So that's why I'm taking some action today, just moving stops and closing a couple of trades. So let's have a look what I've done. We'll start on the Mod MACD. These are all daily charts. Let's have a look. New Zealand, Japan, New Zealand yen. All I've done today is closed half my trade. And placed a stop just above the 25 SMA. You can see my stop at 76,607. Obviously because of the interest rates, and another reason is because it is close to a current low. That's a possible sticking point. So all I'm doing is reducing risk on that trade. So that's the New Zealand yen, closed half my sell trade. What's next? Euro New Zealand. Again, I was in a buy here, and today I've closed half and placed my stop just above the point of entry, which is just below the 240 LMA. So my stop's at 168,782, just reducing risk there, getting myself in a no lose trade. That's the Euro NZ, that's a buy. Pound New Zealand, same sort of deal. This time I haven't moved my stop up too far. My stop has been moved, the close half of my buy, and stops to 1.90851. So it's just down here below the 25 SMA. If it rolls over and goes through my stop, I won't lose anything on that trade either. So just reducing risk there. And a couple other ones I want to show you while I'm on these ones. New Zealand CAD. I'm in a buyback here, already closed half, stops in place above the entry here. Looks like it's at the 240 and the 25 SMA right now, and possibly, if depending on what the news does tomorrow, it might trigger a new sell trade. But yeah, that stops in place. That's just so nothing done today on that, just letting it play out. And same can be said for the Aussie New Zealand. I was in a sell over here, closed half, and now we've come very close to my stop as price gets to the 240 LMA, and you can see the green dot start to form on the fast MACD, so it looks like it's possibly going through. But today, nothing done. It'll possibly stop out later tonight, maybe tomorrow. So that's it on the Mod MACD. Let's have a look at the high probability. These are also daily charts. Just a couple of mods on these ones, nothing too drastic. So basically all I'm doing is the interest rates coming, the news is coming out probably about an hour before I wake up, and I don't want to be caught with my pants down basically. So just taking some action to prevent loss and protecting the profits I've already got. Alright, this is from this morning. I didn't do a video this morning because I only had the one trade. This is a New Zealand Canada, New Zealand Canadian. I sold this morning. You can see my notes on the chart here. I posted the screenshot. It's obviously gone in my favour about 30 pips or so since then, which is good. Now hopefully this news will keep on forcing it down. There's a stop in place, so I'm not going to worry about moving the stop or anything. I'm just going to try and ride this out. This is my second go at this, as I stopped out on the previous sell. So that was from this morning. Here's one I've just looked at today. Euro New Zealand. This is a buy. I've already closed out half my trade. All I've done today, or now, is move my stop up to 1.67924. Just protecting some profit there. So just trailing. I could have pushed it up further, but that'll do for now. The MACD is still heading up. It looks like price has still got a bit of go in it. What's the other one? New Zealand USD. obviously in a sell. I've already closed out half based on that same scenario where it reaches previous low and we had bullish JAGfx RD. So now all I've done this evening is move my stop down to this level, 69332, which is just above these highs here, so it's a bit of a fractal as you call it, and hopefully it'll keep on rolling down nicely. So I'm still in a sell there. The only other trade on the high probability was the pound New Zealand. I haven't done anything on this, I've just left it as is. I've already closed out half. My stop's in a place where if it rolls over and takes my stop out, I won't lose anything on this trade anyway. Just want to give it a bit of breathing room. Still looks okay. It has pulled back a little bit today, but we'll see how the news goes tomorrow. So that's about it, guys. So 4 AM my time, which is same as Hanoi in Vietnam, and that's when it's the first country to wake up, I guess, in the new day, New Zealand, in the financial world. So they get their news in real early. So just be careful of any New Zealand pairs you may have open, and possibly best just have a look at your trades and maybe move stops or something along those lines. Other than that, it's all good, and I will chat later. Thanks for listening. Cheers.